Hello cellos! Today we're going to be working on the F sharp melodic minor scale, and this one is the relative minor of A major. So we do have three sharps in the key signature: F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And then our ascending raised notes are D sharp and E sharp. Now E sharp is a white key on the piano, so we don't normally think of that pitch being spelled as an E sharp, but in the key of F sharp minor, because we've already used the letter named F in our musical alphabet for the tonic F sharp, we do have to spell the leading tone as an E, and that becomes an E sharp when we raise it. So let's go ahead, and we're going to do, this is a 1 octave version that we're going to be learning today, and there actually is a 1 octave version that can be played in the lower position, and then another one that involves just a little bit of shifting. They both do involve some shifting. So we are going to go ahead and learn the 2nd octave of the scale. So this is not the lowest octave that you would be playing. This is a good place to start for F sharp minor. We're going to start in the extended 1st position on the D string. So you're going to play 2nd finger F sharp, and then 4th finger G sharp, open A, 1st finger B, 3rd finger, and then you're going to shift to raised 3rd position for G sharp, and then E sharp is the same as F natural, and then F sharp. Going down, you're going to go 2nd finger for E natural, not E sharp. Do an extension here for D natural, not D sharp. Back to 3rd position, back to 3rd finger, 1st position, B, and then extend here. So all together that looks like this. Shift here, extend, 2, 3rd. Let's go ahead and try that one with a beat. We'll do half notes. 3, 4. So with the minor scales, I encourage you to practice them nice and slowly. Just be careful about those fingerings, and minor scales do tend to involve a little bit more shifting sometimes than major scales. And remember that the fingering will be slightly different going up and going down. And it is always the 6th and the 7th notes that you change. You raise them going up and then bring them back down going down. And that is the melodic minor form of the scale. Good luck and happy practicing.